Hey, hello everyone. Let's look at few useful array methods in JavaScript. Array.map, Array.filter, and Array.reduce. Let's see what Array.map method will do. It accepts callback as an argument. Then it will use that callback function on each element of an array. Okay, which will return a new array as an output. It will not alter the existing array. What will happen is after we created an array, with this map method, we have to pass callback function as an argument. Then this callback function will be used on each element of an array, which will return a new array as an output. Okay, that's a map method. Filter method is it is also similar. This is also accepts a callback function as an argument, and this again creates a new array by filtering based on the callback. How it will filter is in the callback function only when the result is true, then that result will be returned in the new array. The false will be ignored, right? The reduce method also is similar, like it also accepts callback function as an argument. But what will happen with the reduce method is it reduces the array to a single value based on how it is written in the callback. Basically, in the array we have all the numbers, right? It will add all the numbers into a single value. So in this case we need to pass two arguments in the callback function, number one and number two, like that, two arguments. Then it will add all the elements in the array based on the callback and it will return the single value. Okay, these are all the few useful methods, I mean array methods in JavaScript: array.map, filter, array.filter, array.reduce. Let's see each of this in action. Right, let me start with the array.map method. So I'm going to create an array, a simple array. Let my array is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, this is my array. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a, let's say a map array, right? I'm going to use a map method. So all I can do is my array.map. Okay, this map accepts a callback argument, callback function. You can see, right? This function accepts up to three arguments. The first argument is a callback function. So my callback function is I'm gonna add like add one. This is my callback function name. So function, I'm creating a callback function now. Add one. Okay, which accepts argument. Basically, I need to pass this array here. So yeah, fill array. No, it's not a filter array. It's a map array. I already used it. So yeah, add array. Let me name it like this. Then what will happen is we need to return add array plus 2. So what will happen is each element will pass through this callback function. First initially the 2 will come, then 2 plus 2, 4 will be the first element in the new array. Then 4 plus 2, 6. So 4, 6, 8, 10, that will be the new elements in the array. Let me print and show you console.log. I'm going to print my new array, mapped array. Right, we used a map method, myArray.map, and we use a callback function. This is the callback function in that we are returning on the each element of the array added with 2. Right, let me see the output. Right, we see the output like 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is not limited to only number array. Let me create an string array also. Let my fruits, my fruit is equal to mango, orange, then pineapple. This is my fruit array. Okay, so I'm gonna do is map fruit. That's my new array. And what I'm gonna do is my fruit dot map, and I'm gonna pass some callback function, right? So callback function name is fruit call. Let me just name it like this. Okay, and my callback function is function The fruit call is my callback function name, right? And I'm gonna pass this fruit array here. So let me name it as fruit array. And what I'm gonna return is this fruit array, right? Let me give output like eat mango, eat orange, eat pineapple. That's how I want to print it. So yeah. So if I print the output, right, let's see what happens. Fruit. This is my new array. Map fruit is right. Now what I did is I created a new string array with the three mango, orange, and pineapple. Then I use the method Array.map. This is a callback function. In that callback function, I am adding, the each string along with what is available. Okay, now let's see the output. Eat mango, eat orange, eat pineapple. Okay, this is how we can use a Array.map method. Is array. What happened is it used a callback function on each element of an array, and it returned a new array. Right. Now let's look at the another method, filter. So filter, what will happen? Let me create a new array. Filter array is equal to, I'm gonna use the same array, okay, but instead of map method I'm gonna use a filter method now. Okay, so greater than, like that, I'm gonna call the, this is my callback function name and this is the method filter. Okay, so what this callback function will do is function greater than, this is my callback function name, then I have to pass some array, right, some name I have to give, right, great array. Then what I'm gonna return is great array, means each element will come here, right, is greater than 4. So what will happen is first 2 will come, 2 greater than 4, no, false. So as I told earlier, right, to filter, it will filter only when the result is true. It ignores the false. So this false will be ignored. And then this 4 will come, 4 greater than 4, that's false. So it will be ignored. And then 6 will come, 6 greater than 4. So it is true. So that will be returned in my new array. What is my new array? It's filter array is a new array. Okay, now let me print the filter array in the output and show you. What will be my output? Whatever the value in the array is greater than 4. So 6 and 8 will be my outputs. That's my filtered array. Right? You can see, right, 6 and 8. So this is how we can use the array.filter method. So we have one more method also, reduce is there, right? Let's look at that. So reduce array is equal to, I'm going to use the same array, my array.reduce. So what I'm going to do is my callback method name is to 1. Let me give some name. So what will happen is, as I told you, it reduced the array to a single value. We need to pass two arguments in the callback function. So yeah, let me create a callback function now. Function to 1. That's my callback function name. Okay, just pass it's just a name, right? Okay, what I'm gonna return is, okay, it's not possible. You have to pass two values. So 1 comma 2. I'm gonna pass two arguments. What I'm gonna do is 1 plus 2. This will be my output. So what will happen is, first the 2 and 4 will be passed here, and 2 plus 4 6, that will be taken. Then that 6 will be passed here. This is accumulator, okay, and this is the next value 6. Then 6 plus 6, 12 will come. The 12 will be then stored here. Then 12 plus 8 will come. Then the 20, that will be written here. Okay, this is how reduce will work. It reduces the whole array to a single value. Okay, now let me print and show you how reduce array works. How reduce method works. Console.log reduce array. So what will be my output? The output will be addition of all these values in the array. 2 4 6 8. 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. So that will be my output. Yeah, 20 is the output. This is how we can use a map.reduce method in JavaScript. So let's recap once. We have three array methods we saw today, like map, filter, and reduce. What map will do is It accepts callback as an argument, then it will use that callback function on each element of an array. It will return a new array. It is alright. This is my array, and I use the map method, and add one is a callback function. So this callback function, what it will do is it will return by adding some value. So that will be my new array, map array, right? In the same way, filter array and reduce array works. The difference is filter array will, I mean filter method will filter only when the result is true, and reduce, what it will do is it will reduce the array to a single value, right? That's what we saw. Map dot reduce, sorry, map dot filter, and then map dot reduce. Filter, what it did is, like a greater than 4 means that only is allowed, 6 and 8 printed. And reduce, it actually added all the values and put it in a as a single value, right? So these are all very useful array methods. Map, filter, and reduce. I think we are good. Thanks for watching.